Red Rooster. Yeah.
I was thinking like GT surpassing me.
Oh,
But both carry on.
very nice यार.
Perfect. I would love to see me roasting on a channel.
No, I won't.
कि लोग बोलते हैं कि always a hunter one.
अरे नहीं यार. Alright guys, let's see. I'm letting him go first. I'm currently in 7th mode, so let's make it to fuel X10. A few of you said that until 80 Meteor can cross. Alright, we have a patch. Let's go. That's a good यार. You can't, man. With the fuel X exhaust and air filter, you can't, really can't. But still, it's fun. It's not about just racing, it's about enjoying two different machines. I have to take a long detour from my home because of this, but I'm enjoying it. And I'm not pushing harder because it rained and the roads are still wet. So I would not want to take a risk there. I hope he takes a left from the next turn, because I will be taking a left. The next one, man, not this one. No. Oh, he did not. Good. I think he almost took a left turn and then he turned around. I think he did turn around. That's it. Did he? I think he did, yeah. Sorry man, kya? Yeah, I am. Yeah, I did. Sorry?
Asking what's your channel name?
Urban Throttler. Yeah, sure. So we're taking a stop.
Sound pretty sexy लग रही है actual में.
Red Rooster. Yeah.
I was thinking like GT surpassing me.
Oh,
But बहुत प्यारी आवाज.
very nice यार.
What's your good name, brother?
Taran. Taran. Okay, so let's search Urban Throttler quickly.
कितने का हुआ ये proper system कितने का लगा है?
10K. We have it.
Perfect. I would love to see me roasting on a channel.
No, I won't.
कि लोग बोलते हैं कि always a hunter one.
अरे नहीं यार.
Okay, bro. Nice to meet you.
अरे same here, man. See, this is what I was talking about. It's never about race. It is never about racing. It's about two people enjoying their own machines. And yeah, I'm thinking he would have subscribed. But yeah, it's good. Yeah, that is one reason why I always enjoy coming to office from my bike and not from my car. For last 3 to 4 months I was coming to office from my car, not even 4, even more than that. Back in December it was too cold in Delhi NCR, and I usually go office at the I usually go back to the home at the same time around 9 or maybe 9:30ish, and yeah, it was tough going to home from a bike. So I started coming to office from my car, and which is one of the primary reasons why I was not able to upload any video from last 6 months. But yeah, I think the sad part is that now that it has stopped, and it's not too hot nowadays, but now it's rainy, which is something we can't control, but I won't stop now. I've already stopped coming to office from bike from last 6 months. I won't stop any further. He said that he thought it's a GT650. I'm glad that the sound is too loud that it makes people believe that it's a GT650 crossing by. I had to take a detour. I'm going what extra, maybe around 5 kilometers extra, 15 minutes hardly, but that's fine. I wish to see more people on the same route, interacting with those people. Usually in the night time it's hard, people don't usually interact when they're going back to the home because they're not in the mood. And while they're coming to the office, they will also not interact because then they are in rush to reach to office, which is why we have weekend. Yeah, so let me know guys in the comment how many of you have installed Red Rooster on your CB350. H'ness, RS, Classic, does not matter at all. CB350 is a gem. Choosing a different variety of that gem is up to you. You can choose H'ness for a, I won't say cafe racer only because of the cafe racer kit, but yeah, RS for a bit of a sporty feel. Classic if you are that classic lover of a bullet and prioritizes reliability and smoothness, refinedness, you would be going for a classic.